Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will thoroughly examine Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of March, 2025, our system has rated Rigetti Computing as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.95. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a further decrease within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 29% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 90% to an increase of 5%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment projects a change of 112%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 9.5% to 380% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the anticipated price somewhere between $10.85 and $47.60. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing, Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, moving between $9.65 and $10.82. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 3.46% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, dropping from $10.26 to $9.91. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 12.12%, reaching a low of $9.65 and a high of $10.82. Over the last 2 weeks, there has been a gain of 21.09%. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is typically a positive sign as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 19 million shares, with a total of 49 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $481,220,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the stock price is 53.76%, or $11.52, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker RGTI, remains a focal point in the quantum computing landscape as of March 19, 2025. Recent coverage highlighted Rigetti as a top buy for 2025, given its strategic position in a rapidly evolving market worth potentially $1 to $2 billion prior to 2030, expanding to $15 to $30 billion in the subsequent decade. Despite this optimistic outlook, RGTI shares experienced a decline of 0.53%, reflecting the broader trend in quantum computing stocks as investors remain cautious ahead of Nvidia's Quantum Day. The upcoming event could bring significant interest and potential volatility, which can impact RGTI's short-term performance. The heightened focus on breakthrough technologies underscores the urgency for Rigetti to meet its ambitious milestones, such as developing a 36-qubit system by mid-2025 and advancing to a 108-qubit system by late 2025. However, the firm has faced challenges, including a significant year-over-year revenue decline and substantial losses, raising concerns about liquidity and the risk of equity dilution. In the long term, if Rigetti successfully navigates its growth ambitions and aligns with the anticipated market expansion, it could position itself as a leader in the quantum space, potentially driving stock appreciation. Investors should remain vigilant around developments following Nvidia's announcements, as these could either bolster confidence in RGTI or amplify concerns over its current financial trajectory and market positioning. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned a buy rating to RGTI, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also assigned a buy rating to RGTI with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam gave RGTI a buy rating paired with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned a buy rating to RGTI with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley once again assigned a buy rating to RGTI, this time with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term outlook. The stock for Rigetti Computing Inc. currently shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This is due to the long-term average being above the short-term average, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock see further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $10.59. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $9.76. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 21, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 29.15%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, the trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 41 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 105 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal from 105 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 98 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.37 and $8.95. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $9.37. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.95 and $8.93. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.17 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 12.12%. For the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 13.96%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -5 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $10.04. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $9.37. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. conducted an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March 2025, Rivas David conducted an insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 7.56. Overall, insiders purchased 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.33, reflecting a decline of 5.8%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 40 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing, Incorporated, presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors might either keep their positions or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded since our last evaluation, moving from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of March, we anticipate Rigetti Computing to open higher by 220 thousandths of a dollar, starting the trading session at $10.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.